Pickstocks Telford is part of the renowned Pickstocks Group, an international property and food processing company. The family-owned Pickstocks Telford Limited, formerly known as Pickstocks Ashby Limited, originally formed in 2003. It is now one of the UK's largest beef processors and exporters. In 2014, the company opened a state-of-the-art abattoir and processing plant in Horton Wood, Telford. The site consisted of an 85,000 square foot development, where all processes take place under one roof, from the layerage to meat processing facilities, on-site cold stores and dispatch, making it one of the only facilities of its kind in Europe. Over the past decade, Pickstocks has developed lasting relationships with farmers across the UK, offering unique services and animal health and quality assurance, which is second to none. Pickstocks supply national and international retail, commercial and food service markets. One of their largest customers is McDonald's. They also supply a number of large supermarkets and butcher shops with top quality British beef. With the new boning and packing facilities at Telford, Pickstocks can offer a wider choice of products to customers, and beef can be processed to specific requirements. Pickstocks provide full carcasses to primal cuts. There are two main boning lines for McDonald's and one for more specific cuts, which operates at a slightly slower pace. Pickstocks mainly kill dairy cattle, however on Monday afternoon they will take organic cattle also. The cattle can be collected from a number of collection points across the UK or delivered directly by the farmer. The plant is open 24/7 and they kill up to 5 o'clock. Night crews then come in to wash the plant thoroughly. Cattle arrive and are unloaded into pens littered with straw. Once settled, they are moved into pens with sawdust. Bulls are kept separate, as are cattle unable to walk up the race. These enter the kill line through a door on the side, assisted by staff. The layerage was specially designed to keep cattle comfortable and reduce stress. Using research from USA scientist Temple Branding, Pickstocks designed the layerage with a right-hand curve, as cows have positive and negative membrane and always prefer to turn to the right. Once in the race, passports are checked against ear tags and a pH test is carried out. High pH identifies stress in the animal, and Pickstocks review all CCTV from when the animal arrived to ensure no misconduct has taken place. This is just one method used to monitor and manage animal welfare throughout the process. Cattle are then stunned and bled on average between 16 to 20 seconds, but always under 30 seconds. To stop contamination when processing, the food in the stomach is pushed down and a bag is put on. The feces are pushed up into the bag and it is sealed and removed down the line. To remove the hide, electric shocks are given either side of the spine to cause rigor, which allows easy removal. The head is removed and stripped. Offals such as the tongue are inspected before being moved into the fridges. The stomach and offal are then removed and moved to a separate line for inspection. Red offal is stored overnight and white offal is processed and frozen the same day. 1% of offal is rejected for reasons such as diseases like TB and wire. Carcasses are halved and spinal cords are carefully removed. A strong vacuum is used to remove small bones and hair. There are two separate platforms for FSA officers to inspect the carcass and mark it with appropriate labels. A blue label, for example, represents a bad carcass which cannot go for human consumption. All inner trim/fat is removed and incinerated. Other waste, such as the blood, will be recycled in a biomass boiler, and stomach innards are offered back to farmers to spread as natural fertilizers. After being weighed and graded, the carcasses are then moved to the correct fridges for specific grades. The FSA have a holding fridge for any carcass which fails the initial inspection and is re-inspected in the morning. Carcasses are checked again before entering the boning room in batches of 16. At this point, the individual kill number is removed and they are referred to as specific batch number, which traces back to the group of carcasses. Once processed to the customer's requirements, the beef is then vac packed, labelled with plant number 2536, the origin, the slaughter number, and the batch code for that specific group. The customers then produce high quality beef products for consumers to enjoy.